Is Windows security not working the way it should? Maybe the app won't open, scans aren't starting, or protection settings are failing. Repairing Windows security can often fix these problems without resetting the app. Let's go through the steps. First, restart your computer. This can clear temporary Windows errors and restart security services. After the restart, test Windows security again. Next, open Settings and select Windows Update. Choose Check for updates and install any available updates. Some Windows security problems can be caused by outdated system components. Now open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Windows Security and open its advanced options. Look for the Repair button and select it. Windows will attempt to repair the app without deleting its stored data. Wait until the process finishes, then open Windows Security again. After repairing the app, check the main dashboard. Try opening Virus and Threat Protection, Firewall and Network Protection, or another section that wasn't working before. If repair didn't solve the issue, return to Advanced Options and choose Reset. This removes the app's stored data and restores its settings. So yeah, use Reset only after trying repair. If Windows security is still broken, damaged system files may be responsible. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run SFC/scan now. Let the scan complete. If SFC can't fix everything, use DISM to repair the Windows image. Run the Restore Health command from an administrator command prompt and wait for it to complete. I mean, don't close the window while it's working. Restart your PC after the repairs. Then open Windows Security and check that real-time protection is working and no major warnings remain. And that's how to repair Windows security. Start with updates and repair, then use Reset, SFC, or DISM if necessary. These steps can resolve many common Windows security problems.